Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today we are going to be looking at how you can record a Zoom meeting. So by default, the participants in a Zoom meeting don't have the option in order to record the meeting. It's only the host of the meeting who can initiate that feature in order to record the meeting. So you might be invited into a Zoom meeting and you would like to keep track of what is being said or come and review it on a later date. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do just that. So in order for you to record the video to begin with of the Zoom meeting, you can download a screen recorder, what is known as a screen recorder software. So there are a whole lot of them out there. We're going to be seeing a couple of them, but the trick here, or the most difficult part here, is recording the audio coming out from the Zoom call, because by default the computer records the audio coming from your mic, but this time around we want the audio coming out of the speakers and want to record that. So you can use nifty tricks like recording on your phone, or using an external recording software or an external recording equipment, but this time around we want to be able to record it directly into our computer. So in order to do this, we are going to use a software, and this software is called Audacity. So you can find this software Audacity on this website, audacityteam.org. It's a free open source cross-platform audio software, so you can easily download it from here, and it's free to use. So once you have it installed, the interface is quite easy. Don't get scared from all the buttons, we just need a couple of them. So on the top left you have the record button here, you have the pause, the play, the stop, the backwards, and the forward. So we need to check a couple settings before we can record the audio coming out from the speakers. So you want to come and select this drop down here and make sure it's selected under Windows WASAP. Then you want to select the mic from which is going to be recording. By default it should be set on the microphone, but this time around I want to get the audio from the speakers, so we're going to change this and put it under speakers. Then you're going to select mono. Then you want to select now the speakers through which it has to be played, so it can be the same speaker as the one before. So now with this we are able to record now the audio coming out from our computer. So you want to click on the record button, and as you can see, it's picking up a sound. I have some music playing in the back, and so that's what is being recorded there right now. So with this you are able to record now all of the audio coming out through your speakers. So whatever is being said in the Zoom meeting is going to be recorded by this software. So this, combined with your screen recorder, can permit you to record a full Zoom meeting as you please. So one downside of this trick is that you're not going to be capturing the audio coming in from your mic. So what you're going to be saying during the meeting is not going to be captured in the software, but all of what the other participants are going to be saying, all of the audio coming out from your computer, is going to be recorded. So this is the little trick you can use in order to record your Zoom meetings and use them on a later date and share them. So once you are done with your recording, you can easily save and export the file into a different format: MP3, WAV, OGG, or any other format that suits you best, and you can now have a listen to it. So hopefully that helps you. Catch you on the next video.